I gotta do dishes.
Move. I just spilled water.
To what circus?
She said circus.
That's what Vicky said.
No, I didn't say. Circus?
You said circus?
That's a surface.
What the
No. Move.
Stop. Weird.
Ali, I don't know if we can see you.
Go get tacones.
Go get that.
Truth is, Jasmine don't love you.
Wait, Ali, stand right in front of Pinky. No, like, scoot over. Okay, yeah, we can see you. You just look a little short. Me trying to stand behind Pinky. Wait, she's taller than me. We're doing dishes right now. We're doing the dishes.
Why is it so big?
We're doing the dishes. And then we're gonna do a bake with me. We're making brownies.
I'm like,
We're making them pumpkin shapes.
You're done.
Oh, okay, wait, let me do my intro. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Oh, wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. We're doing a bake with me today. We're wearing the same clothes as in our other mukbang, the chinos.
We don't shower.
The same day. So, yeah.
Chueco.
Are you okay?
No.
All happen.
Crazy because. Crazy
What?
Because.
Crazy Vicus?
Crazy
Vicky. Crazy Vicky.
Should I do it right there or should I move it over here and face it that way?
Move it over here.
Yeah. Okay. Moving the camera.
I'm in the ghetto. Ta-ta-ta.
On there or?
Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to
Yeah,
our
that's me.
channel. Cindy, you're slow, going faster.
Do you want to fight? Like, this is honestly why you're adopted.
You're mean.
Why did you laugh like that? Hey. Oh, the pans are in here.
Oh, we almost burned down the house.
I forgot to take the
It
pans
smells like
out.
burnt in
I
here.
forgot to take the pans out.
Esta man.
You're done.
You forget.
I was gonna tell you, aren't you supposed to take out the pants first?
Did you want us to die any soon?
Yeah.
Rawr. I can't swim.
For real?
I can't.
Quit lying.
I can.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh.
Interception! Oh, go! You can't throw it to start now, Seth.
God.
Go!
No.
Today, we're gonna make a circle and a
Go!
square.
Sorry.
And we're gonna use this and this because I don't have a big one of these that's like deep enough for brownies. Finally got the dishes done. So this is what we have. Mix, eggs, bowl, measuring cups.
And oil.
Oh, water.
2/3 cup oil and 1/4 cup water.
Go ahead and add the mix.
I tried to
Go get it.
And 2/3 cup oil is also.
Yes.
Wait, Jasmine, go make sure if you can see us.
Yes.
Nice.
Can you see Ali?
Yes.
Ooh, that smells good.
Cállate.
2/3 is a lot.
Stop.
Can we add it now?
Yeah.
What about the eggs?
Ali.
The oven's already preheating, so it should be heated by the time we get this in. Here, I'll hold it like this so they can see. We don't make anything from scratch because we're not good.
Oh, water.
We
Put water.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Yeah, I need them.
Ow, that's hot, bruh.
Jasmine, don't cry. A ver.
You can't see you probably. How long do we leave it in? The best kind.
There's a measurement ruler over there.
Measurement ruler.
No tienes fuerza, Alison. Es muy chiquita. Te vas a quemar.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, if you want to get a disease from raw
I think
eggs.
this is 8 by 8.
Actually, you can eat it.
I think this is 8 by 8.
Jasmine,
Okay,
you
I'll
can
add
eat
it in
that,
the
right?
circle.
Are we gonna have enough for both or just one?
I think just one. Should we just do this?
Just kidding, we lied. We're only doing the circle
The
one.
circle. It's gonna be a little bit deformed. I never see a circle.
I would say that is 9 by 9. So 30 to 35 minutes.
Let's show them. Let's show them. They better be bussin'.
Boy. Ready?
Set. Okay. Okay. Started.
I'm gonna eat some of that because that sounds good.
Isn't it the raw eggs back
No.
there?
Yeah.
It's
But
fine though.
we don't care. Oh, we have to make a thumbnail. It's all empty.
The box is open.
So, we're waiting for the brownies to get done. It takes like 30 minutes, it said. So we're eating the mix.
It's back.
Show them your face. You like Pinky?
No. I never said that. He's
It's
all like, I'm freaking taller than him, I bet.
Probably.
Ali, tienes piojos, dude.
I know, right? Pinky.
Piovitas gringas.
Bonita.
Alison no se baña, so if you have a crush on her, just know that que no se baña. You're gonna have to pay the water bill, and it's gonna only. Oh, she's gonna be cheap though, cause the water bill's only gonna be like $20 a month. Cause Alison only showers once a month. She's like, yeah.
I'm good. She's being depressed because she doesn't like her bag.
That's just funny.
I want to see how I look like.
Go look in the mirror in the bathroom.
She's like, I want to see what I look like.
Looking into the camera.
I don't really
Eat
care
out.
about the shirt.
Dude, this is good. I could literally just eat this.
Where's the thing at? I think I broke it. I'm like, oh. Because I was like this with my head.
Let's have a dancing battle while we wait.
This break over. You have to post up like Ali did against the moth.
Oh, she was like,
He was like,
Jasmine, they're still not ready. They haven't even been there for like 10 minutes.
Ali, clean your face. Ali, clean your face. Good.
okay, guys, let's do an outfit of the day.
Nike shoes, jeans, and the shoes are from Hibbett.
You're pretty gay, Jasmine.
Shirt
Oh, she's
and
not done.
Columbia jacket from.
La Pulguito.
Dude shoes from some store in Fort Worth. Jeans, Ross.
Rose.
Shirt, Walmart, boys section.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My shoes are Hey Dudes.
Okay, nobody cares.
My jeans are AirPods, and my shirt is from Yas. Yeah.
I finally cleaned my face.
Thank you.
You should go to
Jasmine!
the park.
We're doing a cooking video.
You act like she can't cut it out.
I like your shoes.
I'm not gonna cut it out.
Santo, show us your abs.
Tiene abs.
You're blocking the camera.
No.
No.
Why?
You're gonna die up there. Like, right.
That's a horrible place.
It's better than freaking that place.
This place is better.
You're gonna die in there.
How?
I don't know.
I've been there a lot of times. Have I died? No.
Yes.
Why just found treasure chest?
Is that where?
Yeah. I found like 10 treasure chests on the
I'm playing next once you die.
I'm rich, bruh. Pinky,
We're back from our rest. I'm not sure if it's done yet, but it's really fluffy. Oh,
Is it done yet, Pinky?
how much time is left?
6 minutes.
I
Aquí
need
les
the floor.
presento al amor de mi vida. Oh. The care of Kiwi.
keeps falling,
I'm gonna take care of him at the wedding
for this week. So
should I go? Where should I go? Well, we are like here. Never
I don't know if it's completely done in the middle. Should I just take it out anyway?
No.
I think the outsides are hard though. Oh no, they're not hard. I'm gonna take it out because it still cooks after you take it out. So. Brownies are done.
Yay! Woo!
It's hot.
I just like died.
Ooh.
Eared up.
I didn't know what it did very much. Like, don't.
Fortnite in the background. Ali, I saw your little boyfriend yesterday at the counsel.
I don't.
Ira. Are you gonna give him a trouble for going out without you? Ali,
Who?
you're toxic.
I don't know his name, but the one that always talks to you and you always just run away from him. I think he's like kind of small.
Oh, he's annoying. I don't talk to him.
Cap. When you call
C-A-P.
I haven't talked to him since.
Cap.
I don't even know.
C-A-P. Cap. Cap. Cap.
Bruh, Pinky, I mean Jasmine.
Is it good?
Thumbnail.
It's wrong.
Thumbnail.
But feel it, it's hard.
It's fine. We're still gonna eat it. Ready? Thumbnail.
Me being all short when you're literally
I'm not-
13, it's
Okay,
good.
let's eat it.
Okay.
No.
I like it.
It's alright.
From
It's
the
really
top.
fluffy.
It's burnt from the top.
Oh, yeah, but it's still good.
I don't know how I feel.
I feel.
Emotional.
What?
It's good. It's hot.
It has
No.
a weird taste.
It's hot.
I guess we did okay. I know it's hot.
For the first.
I like my brownies chewy and like juicy. Like, not juicy.
Ah, it's quite juicy.
It kind of tastes like. Oh, you look so cute. Sit down. Successful brownie making. It was very good. I don't know.
It was our recipe.
Oh yeah, we made it from scratch.
Yeah, so y'all have to give us credit or your cancel.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.
Okay.
Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out. A-time.
Yay!
Oh.
I'm sorry. He's